Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide Facebook mutual friends list. So for this, first of all, you just have to open your Play Store or App Store depending on your device. And in the search bar, just simply search for this Facebook. So you just have to make sure that your app is updated to the latest version for everything to work properly. After that, simply just tap on this open. Now tap on your profile picture in the top right corner and then tap on this gear icon in the top right corner. Now when you are here, you need to tap on this privacy checkup and tap on this first option who can see what you share. From here just tap on this continue at the bottom and from this first step scroll down all the way to the bottom and find this option friends and following, and you just have to make sure that only me is selected. Whatever the options are, you just have to tap on this only me at the bottom. That's the first method how you can do that. You can go back to your settings. This time just scroll down and find another option. That will be the option how people can find and contact you. Just tap on it. From here you can see this second option who can see your friend list. Just tap on next to it and make sure again you just have selected this only me. You don't have to select any option public, friends, except just select this only me. So even your friends cannot see on Facebook even the mutuals. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.